It took me 10 years to understand the most important quality of a teammate, and now I would like to share it with you. I've been the director of design at this lab for over 13 years, and during this time I have worked with many different people and processes, hired entire teams, communicated with hundreds of clients, read many books, attended business school 3 times, and experienced much more in my life. But this isn't about my biography, it's about what I am leading up to. Everything and everyone is so different. Different types of people, behaviors, interests, approaches, and thoughts. Over the years, I've understood the principles and features by which we've been working for many years now. Today, I want to talk about deep negativity and positive thinking. First, let's understand what positive and negative thinkings are. These are two different approaches to how we react to the situation, work situations, or any other circumstances. In our company, our work principles are based on positive thinking. Positive thinking is the ability to see the good in any situation, even when it seems like everything is going wrong. This doesn't mean ignoring problems or pretending they don't exist. Positive thinking is about looking for opportunities where others only see obstacles. We always say, let's try it. If we don't like it, we won't continue. And that's how we approach everything. We never start with, no, it won't work, it won't succeed, it will be terrible. Before saying that, I need to try something, test it, study it, observe it, add or remove something, experiment, and so on. Negative thinking, on the other hand, involves focusing on the bad aspects of life, constantly expecting failure or problems. A person with negative thinking tends to feel like a victim of circumstances and believes that everything around them is doomed to fail. This is when people immediately dismiss any outcome and present everything in a negative light or refuse to try from the start. Like everyone, I often see people, interact with them, and work with people, and we are all very different. There are those who are up for anything, those who say, no, this won't work, this won't succeed, and those who are somewhere in the between. It is easiest and most enjoyable to work with those who are open, curious about everything. It's okay with those who are in the middle between up for anything and never, and it is very difficult with those who immediately reject everything. I'll show you several examples. Let's consider the following situation from the point of view of an employee with deep negativity. Situation: an employee receives detailed feedback on his work from a supervisor. Reaction of the employee with deep negativity: oh, again lots of issues in my work. I'll never get it right. I'll always be a failure at this job. There is no point in trying anymore. As an outcome, loss of motivation, decreased productivity, potential risk of resignation. And the same situation seen by an employee with positive thinking. Great, I have feedback. I got attention from my teammates. I have plan for growth. And as an outcome, we have motivated employees with clear plan on how to grow in this company. As you can see, the situation is the same, but the outcome is different for employees with deep negativity and with positive thinking. Another situation happened with me a couple years ago. I hired a project manager and I was his supervisor. From time to time, this manager came to me with some troubles on his project. I asked him, how do you want to solve it? And he responded, I don't know. I don't see any solution. And I proposed, okay, what about solution A? No, it will not work. Okay, what about solution B? No, I don't like it. What about solution C? No, it will not work too. For me, it was a clear red flag. An employee with deep negativity. It is nearly impossible for me to work with such teammate because things always happen on projects and we must work them out as a team by trial and error. And I did not see that this ability to try, evaluate, try again and again to resolve issues on the project. Eventually, we fired him. If you feel like you are prone for negative thinking, don't worry, it can be changed. Here are some tips on how to develop positive thinking. Pay attention to your thoughts. Start noticing how you react to different situations. If you notice negative thoughts, try to replace them with more positive ones. Focus on solutions, not problems. When faced with difficulties, focus on what can be done to improve the situation. Surround yourself with positive people. Interacting with people who support and inspire you will help you see the world in better light. Practice gratitude. Every day pay attention to what you're grateful for. This will help shift the focus from problems to the positive aspects of life. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Instead of beating yourself up over again, see them as opportunities for growth. Our thinking shapes our lives. Positive thinking helps us become better, achieve our goals, and be happy. Negative thinking, on the other hand, can be an obstacle to success and happiness. Try to pay attention to your thoughts, and if you notice that you're leaning towards negativity, work on changing your approach. Remember, change starts from within, and you have the power to change your life for the better. That's why positive thinking is the most important quality I'm looking for in my teammates at Designers Lab. Because with positive thinkers, I can resolve difficulties of any complexity. And with deep negativity, I'm stuck at the same spot surrounded by the same problems. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to our channel, like it, share it with your friends. See you in the next episodes. Bye.